Imagine for a moment that the next big leap in how we capture stories, jot down ideas, and devour pages isn't coming from the usual suspects like Apple or Samsung. It's slipping in from Amazon, disguised as a Kindle Scribe 2025. Picture this sleek, unassuming slab, a pen tucked neatly alongside it, whispering promises of a world where reading and writing blur into one seamless ritual. But pick it up, and suddenly it hits you. This isn't just another screen in the sea of gadgets. It's a quiet revolution, reshaping the very rhythm of how we engage with words and thoughts. What grabs you most about this evolution? Hit the comments and share. Have you ditched paper for digital yet? Or are you holding out? To truly grasp the weight of this moment, let's rewind a bit to the roots of the Kindle family. Back in the day, the first Kindle burst onto the scene with singular, laser-focused mission to let you lose yourself in a book, free from the chaos of apps, alerts, or endless scrolling. No bells, no whistles, just pure, uninterrupted immersion in the written word. For over a decade, that ethos held strong, even as flashy tablets battled for supremacy with their raw horsepower and multitasking mayhem. The Kindle? It carved out its niche as the ultimate haven of serenity. It's gentle, paper-like glow winning over authors lost in drafts, students buried in textbooks, and avid readers craving that elusive pocket of peace. Yet Amazon sensed the gap widening. Pure reading was vital, but in our idea-hungry era, folks yearned to scribble margins, brainstorm plots, and weave thoughts right onto the same surface. That realization birthed the Scribe series, and here in 2025, it blossoms into its boldest incarnation yet, a total overhaul that's not tweaking the formula, but reimagining the canvas of creation itself. Dive in with me, because Amazon's moves this year don't merely polish an old favorite. They challenge everything we assume about blending ink and pixels. It all starts with the shell. The Kindle Scribe 2025 sheds its awkward edges for something elegantly reborn. Uniform bezels frame the face like a modern portrait. The ambient lighting bathes every corner in shadow-free warmth, and the chassis? It's slimmer, feather-light, sculpted to cradle in your palm through marathon sessions of inspiration. But oh, the screen, that's where the enchantment truly unfolds. A vast 11-inch expanse of glare-free e-ink stretches out like an infinite meadow, unmarred by bulky borders or visual noise, delivering nothing but boundless territory for your eyes to roam. And in a twist that feels like destiny fulfilled, Amazon weaves in color for the first time. Not garish blasts or synthetic hues, but subtle, lifelike shades that breathe vibrancy into charts, underlines, and doodles. Pause and let that sink in. E-ink's color conundrum, once a sluggish, faded afterthought, now pulses with nuance, enriching your notes and visuals while guzzling power or muddying the monochrome magic. Die-hard fans can still opt for the crisp black and white purity, honed sharper and sleeker than ever, but glimpse the color variant at work. And it's like rediscovering the rainbow after years in grayscale. Now, shift gears to harder thrill. The act of putting pen to page, digitized in a way that feels profoundly alive. If you've ever battled the glassy glide of a tablet stylus, that unnatural slickness that yanks you out of flow, then you know the frustration all too well. Amazon flips the script here, cloaking the surface in a subtly textured glass that delivers just a perfect drag, echoing the satisfying scratch of real parchment under quill. Layer in a groundbreaking low-parallax design, and your strokes land precisely where intended. No ghostly lags, no frustrating gaps between tip and trace. Power it with a zippy quad-core brain and boosted RAM. And suddenly, every flourish responds in real time, fluid and forgiving. Whether you're mapping out a novel's arc, diagramming a theorem, or venting raw journal entries, the device anticipates you, never resisting, always inviting deeper dives. For the scribes among us, novelists, scholars, philosophers, this is the pinnacle of analog soul in a digital body, the closest we've come to bottling that timeless pen-on-paper poetry. And speaking of the pen, it's no longer a mere sidekick. Amazon dubs it the Premium S Pen, and it lives up to the title like a craftsman's heirloom. Rebalanced for effortless heft, trimmed for agility, and tuned for pinpoint accuracy, it channels your intent with surgical grace. Dial up the pressure for dramatic sweeps, or feather it light for whispers on the page. The sensitivity catches every nuance, bold or delicate. Smarter palm rejection lets your hand lounge freely, No more tiptoe around phantom scribbles or awkward air dances. This isn't toy-level tinkering. It's a conduit for conception, empowering you to layer annotations over epics, dissect PDFs with precision, or birth rough sketches from ether. To the creative souls wielding it, this stylus isn't hardware. It's the bridge from mind to manifest, organic as breath. Yet Amazon's wizardry extends beyond the tangible, slipping in a subtle powerhouse that elevates the ordinary to oracle. Artificial intelligence, woven seamlessly into the fabric. Forget gimmicky bots. This is thoughtful augmentation, starting with Asta's book, a gem that transforms your Kindle into an intuitive sage. Stumble on a thorny passage in a dense memoir? Whisper or type. Break this down simply, and it obliges in seconds, distilling, clarifying, even threading connections to gems elsewhere in your collection. Suddenly, it's not just a reader. It's your bedside professor, condensing chapters, unpacking jargon, fostering those aha sparks that turn passive pages into active dialogues. The magic multiplies in the AI notebook search, a lifeline for the note hoarders among us. Amid a sprawl of scrawled insights, doodles, and bullet point brainstorms, hunt with a single phrase, voice or keystroke, and unearths the exact thread, then curates summaries, spotlights themes, and clusters chaos into coherence. No more digital grave digging. It's like having an omniscient archivist at your elbow, amplifying your intellect without stealing the spotlight. This understated AI doesn't dominate. It elevates, carving out space for profound reflection, whether you're cramming for exams, refining a manuscript, or simply savoring a text layers with newfound depth. To keep this symphony harmonious, Amazon crafted the Workspace Hub, a sleek nexus where your digital universe converges without a hitch. Envision a serene dashboard. Notes, drafts, and files mingle effortlessly, ripe for tagging, reshuffling, or bundling into bespoke folders, all sans the usual digital detritus. And for the first time, it steps beyond its silo, syncing fluidly with Google Drive, OneDrive, and OneNote. Your morning musings on the Scribe materialize flawlessly on your desktop by brew time, preserving every curve and comma. This connectivity catapults the Scribe from solitary scribe to versatile virtuoso, fueling boardroom sketches, lecture prep, collaborative ideates, or relentless research flows. No more fracturing your workflow between analog echoes and pixel prisons. Now, creativity cascades unbound, honoring your momentum and muse. Of course, endurance is the unsung hero here, and the Kindle Scribe 2025 wears that crown with effortless poise, leaving rivals in the dust. While tablets guzzle juice like marathon sprinters, demanding overnight tethers, this beauty hums along for 12 to 16 weeks. Yes, weeks, on one modest fill-up, translating to nearly 4 months of unfettered freedom. Ponder that seasons of stories and strokes without the nag of plugs or dwindling bars. Refueling? A swift 20W hit restores it in under 2.5 hours. Top it off mid-meal, and it's primed before the check arrives. Amazon's Alchemy blends savvy algorithms, the efficient M14 ink heart, and a thrifty processor, prioritizing poise over pandemonium. No frantic frame rates or bloated bloatware, just snappy sprints when summoned and ethereal efficiency otherwise. Its battery bliss so profound, low power becomes a forgotten folklore. Amazon sweetened the lineup this round, tailoring a trio of scribes to suit every shade of seeker. The base model beckons budget-minded scholars and jotters, forgoing a glow for unadorned essence at $429. Pure, no-frills focus. The mid-range charmer hits the harmony for everyday enthusiasts, layering in that even illumination, 32 or 64 gigabytes vault, and a $499 tag that's as smart as it is accessible. Then the crown jewel, the Color Edition flagship, a $629 symphony of Spectrum-infused smarts, premium pen prowess, maxed-out storage, and every AI flourish unpacked. Each tier whispers intentionality, guiding you to the perfect match for your narrative. Be a quiet consumer or voracious visionary. That said, let's keep it real. No device dances flawless foxtrots. The Scribe 2025 skips splash-proof seals, so poolside perusals or steamy soaks demand a dash of caution. Wireless juicing remains absent, a curious omission in our cordless age, and Wi-Fi caps at older speeds, tempering those bulk uploads. Truth be told, These quirks don't dim the glow. They're footnotes in a tale of deliberate depth. This isn't a jack-of-all-trades vying for video marathons or virtual hangs. It's a sanctuary for contemplation, inscription, and illumination. By owning its niche, unwavering focus, it shines brighter than any scattershot screen. In an era where every interface clamors for your gaze, bombarding us with badges and buzzes, the Kindle Scribe 2025 stands apart as a gentle anchor. It doesn't demand. It invites pause, a soft summons to linger with a line or linger over a loop of thought. Curl up with its pages and tranquility washes over you. Unleash your script and lucidity sharpens the edge. Absent of the chimes, the tabs, the tyranny of the timely, just you, the quiet, and the quiet thrill of unhurried discovery that perhaps is its quiet thunder. Not in benchmarks or bots, but in reclaiming the rapture of absorbed immersion, backed by tech that cradles rather than crowds a mind. So, does the Kindle Scribe 2025 earn a spot in your arsenal? From where I stand, without question, it's not dueling for dominance. It's forging a path uniquely its own, a haven for the word weavers, the wanderers, the wisdom chasers. Skip it if you're after binge fests or browser battles, but if your soul hungers for a realm to absorb, reflect, evolve, nothing touches its grace. Armed with intuitive AI whispers, a canvas that captivates and stamina that stuns, it's more than an e-ink evolution. It's a manifesto for mindful momentum. Amazon hasn't merely iterated. They've etched a blueprint for purposeful pixels, positioning this as a 2025 milestone worth marking. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.